when you look at McDonald's is a global company spread across a lot of countries, over 100 plus countries right now. We have 36,000 restaurants plus across the world. We have a huge population of around 1.8 million people working with us. This is a big part of the journey that happened before we set it up, because when we set it up in 1990, there was hardly a cold chain available at that point of time. Today the cold chain exists, but 20 years back, there was hardly a cold chain that was there. We work with our global partners really to sort of build that.
So what does this make from a consumer, from a retail standpoint, is that throughout the year, it's not that only in your season, is you would get people coming and wanting to have experience different retail or different places in Goa. So with this whole aspect, we feel very optimistic that throughout the year you have consumers who would want to come and experience brand McDonald's, and with the retail format also improving, and with malls coming up, which shows that the retail format has matured, this gives us a good insight for us to enter Goa at this point of time. So out of our the people who will be working for us, around 25% are from Goa, and the restaurant manager also who's going to handle this particular outlet is a Goan. So that just helps us to build that brand connect and to be able to establish the connect that we always try and do whenever we go into the different cities in India. So we obviously opening one, and I think since we've and we want to get the foundation right of making sure things work, because obviously when we open a place, we need to make sure that the foundation is set, and yes, we would definitely be opening much more in Goa, that is there.
And what we've done is we worked on multiple products, starting with our sauces and being able to reduce the quantity of fat in our sauces to make it more healthy for the consumer. Thereafter, we've looked at our soft serves, and soft serves we've been able to reduce our soft serves. The fat content is only around 3%, which is compared to the ice creams that you eat anywhere.
So we'll also look at seeing whether if there are people who would want to work on the weekend, get some kind of pocket money, or want to work for a few hours. So we'll, with the colleges opening up now, we've kept that open still. So with people if people are interested, then we will be able to hire more people to be able to cater to the customer flow that is there.